Yo, so what's going on guys, Sanjesh here. So today in this video we're gonna be making an electric scissor which can make it at home easily. So let's get started. So the materials that we require are one bottle cap, one gear motor, one 9V battery and connector, one scissor, soldering kit and a glue gun. Make a hole in the center of the bottle cap. Stick the gear motor to the bottle cap. Now stick the battery and the switch to the gear motor. Solder the negative terminal of the battery to the gear motor. Solder the positive terminal of the battery to the switch. Solder an external wire connecting from the gear motor to the switch. Cut a small piece of an ice cream stick. Glue the ice cream stick to the scissor. Glue a toothpick to the bottle cap as shown. Now stick the circuit to the scissor. Now let's check the working of our electric scissor. Thanks for watching guys. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button and then turn on the notifications.